This isn't a toy. It's the world's tiniest monkey. Meet the pygmy marmoset, the tiniest primate on Earth. It weighs less than an apple, yet survives deep in the rainforests of South America. It dines on tree sap, tiny insects, and fruit. Here's the crazy part. But first, like and subscribe. It can twist its head 180 degrees, just like an owl, to scan for danger from every angle. When predators like snakes, wildcats, or raptors attack, this tiny creature doesn't run. It flies through the trees, leaping up to 16 feet between branches.